Hi friends, welcome to Meditation with Kema. I'm Kema and today's meditation is for beginners. So if you've never meditated before or if you're new to meditation, this is a great place to start. I will be walking through a little bit about meditation in the beginning of the video, so just warning you, if you want to skip ahead, you're welcome to, but I think it's a great way to understand the basis of what you're getting into. With that being said, get comfy and we'll get started. Welcome to today's meditation. So today we're going to be talking about meditation for beginners. So if you're here, it's likely that you have never meditated before or you have just a few times. So before we jump into a meditation, we'll get about 10 minutes of meditation in today. We'll start with just debunking meditation and talking about what it is in general. So meditation is truly just a mind tool, and I explain it in personal sessions as a way to anchor the mind and practice for the real world. So we call it a meditation practice because it is our time to center and follow our thoughts and see what's coming in and basically monitor and check ourselves. So we'll be doing that today. And I also want to talk about the different kinds of meditation, because there are so many different kinds and it's great to try multiple kinds so that you can make sure that you're doing the kind that suits you best, that feels the most comfortable. I do like to switch it up. Of course, mindfulness, which is bringing awareness to thoughts, bringing awareness to sensory details, noticing things around you. Key little star by the word notice. And then another thing is guided imagery. So guided imagery is the type of meditation that you hear someone say, you're walking through a forest and you find a golden key and etc., etc. And they walk you through this story that takes your mind off of whatever you're going through and actually helps you visualize positive circumstances, positive thoughts, or whatever the meditation is based around. The next kind of meditation I would like to talk about is mantra-based meditation. So when people hear the word mantra or mantra, they think Om and they think Buddhism, or they think it's associated with something else. It can be. Its origins can be, definitely, but it is actually, mantra means mind instrument. And mind instrument, of course, means a tool for the mind, and that's what it's used for. So it's actually one of my favorite kinds of meditations. You can use a different language, you can use English, you can use any word or affirmation that you'd like. It could be a prayer. I think the shorter the sentence or the shorter the thing, the better. It could be I am. It could be Om. It could be peace. It could be anything. So we'll work a little bit with all three of these kinds of meditations today. That is mindfulness, guided imagery, and mantra or affirmation, as I like to call it sometimes. Before we jump in for real, I do want to mention just a few debunks about meditation. You don't have to sit a certain way. You don't have to sit like this at all. You can literally lay down on your back. You could lay on your stomach, whatever you want. If you're comfortable, it doesn't matter to me. I have clients that I'll work with and they lay in their beds, and I'm more than happy with that. I usually lay in my bed too, to be honest. So you don't have to sit a certain way. You don't have to be a certain person. There are so many corporate executives, there are celebrities, there are artists, there are yogis, there are all kinds of people that are doing meditation these days because it works. It's so great for anchoring the mind and visualizing, and whatever it is that you're going in with the intention for, truly, meditation can help you. And you'll see probably if you check my profile on this on YouTube, how many different kinds of meditations there are, and for so many different reasons. And lastly, it isn't necessarily associated with any kind of religious belief or anything like that, but it can be. If you choose to bring your own religious or spiritual practice into meditation, you are more than welcome to. Sometimes people feel it's more powerful, and sometimes people just want to do it just to calm themselves. So it's up to you, it's your practice, and I'm just here to show you and guide. So let's jump in. As you're ready, finding a comfortable seat or cushion, lie down however you'd like, your choice. All that matters is that you get as comfortable as you possibly can. Once you've found your space, simply relax. There is nothing needed from you in this moment. You don't have to be anyone or anything. Simply follow my voice. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or find a soft gaze in front of you. And I'll mind the time as you relax. For the next 10 minutes during this meditation, the only things that can happen are thoughts, which we'll all have at some point, no matter how versed or experienced you think you are in meditation, we will always have thoughts at some point. You could fall asleep, in which case, trust that your body needed sleep, and that's all right. And lastly, you could experience stillness. And if you experience stillness, that's wonderful. It is not the sole purpose of meditation, but it is one of the benefits. So simply allowing yourself to relax here. Noticing every inhale. And noticing every exhale. In meditation, we use the word notice because we don't want to control. We're simply here to watch and observe the body and the mind. To be a witness of the breath. Beginning with a common mindfulness-based practice. Noticing the temperature of the inhale and the temperature of the exhale. As you breathe through your nose, you may notice that it's cooler on the in-breath and that the air is warmer on the out-breath. Simply notice. Notice the feeling of the body as you breathe. Maybe the belly rising and falling. If it helps you, you're welcome to place a hand with the eyes gently closed or softened to the belly. And feel the rise and the fall. Directing your attention a little deeper inwards. Notice how you're feeling right here, right now. Maybe a little tired, maybe happy, stressed. Simply notice, passing no judgment, just an observation of where you're at. Bringing your awareness back to your breath. With every inhale you take, label that inhale, inhale. And with every exhale you take, label that exhale, exhale. And repeat this silently in your mind. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is your mantra for the next few moments. Inhale, exhale. This is all you're doing. Labeling your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Gently beginning to let this mantra go. Begin to imagine a pure white light. Imagine this glowing ball of light moving towards your body. Shining down over your feet, ankles, calves, shins, up your knees, thighs, pelvis, hips, your waist and low belly, low back, mid back, rib cage, chest, upper back, down the shoulders, the biceps and triceps. Allowing this light to come down your forearms, through the wrists, palms, and fingers. And shooting back up through your neck, jaw, back of the head, face, through your eyes, your forehead, the top of your skull, until your whole body is soaking up this white, glowing light. This light can represent whatever you want it to represent. Healing, health, love, energy, peace, joy, abundance. Whatever feels like you need. Allow your body to soak in this white, healing light. Allowing your breath to deepen. Beginning to bring your awareness to the room around you, keeping your eyes closed. Beginning to notice any sensations, the temperature of the space, the cushions beneath you. And gently invite some movement back into the body. So wiggling your fingers and your toes, taking some wrist and ankle rolls, taking an organic stretch, whatever feels best. And as you're ready, slowly and gently opening your eyes. Welcome back. I hope this meditation was as peaceful as it could be for you. I just want to mention, meditation is not easy, and your body is always changing, your mind is always changing. Even with practice, it could feel like the first time, every time. So be patient with yourself, and thank you so much for taking the time to meditate and learn with me today. If you have anything you want to work on or anything like that, sharing your experience, I'd love to hear it. And if this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for taking the time, and have a beautiful rest of your day.